In this video, we will show you how to buy Windows Server. If you hard to find the link how to buy Windows Server, you can using this keyword on Google. Just open google.com and try to find with buy Windows Server Standard Edition. Okay. With this keyword, you will directly have the link to buy this Windows Server. Hit the enter. Scroll down and you can see there. You can find the link to buy the Windows Server. Just click this to buy the Windows Server. And in here, you can see there is the price in here with the 60 core license pack and plus 10 calls, and also the 16 core license pack plus 5 calls. And you can add to cart. And in here, you can check out. Just check out. And you need to using your email, okay, and password of Microsoft account. Then you can input your credit card number. And that's all tutorial how to buy Windows Server. Hope this video helpful for you.